Hello everyone. In this video today we are discuss about the mean arterial pressure. Basically the mean arterial pressure which defined as an average arterial pressure during a single cardiac cycle. How it is necessary to calculate. So it is a better indicator of perfusion to vital organs than the systolic blood pressure. So by getting the mean arterial pressure value, we can see the perfusion to the vital organs. So it is a better indicator for that. Now how to calculate MAP, that is mean arterial pressure. So mean arterial pressure is equal to diastolic pressure plus 1/3 of the pulse pressure. This is the standard formula. You can remember this. Diastolic pressure plus 1/3 of the pulse pressure, that is mean arterial pressure. Now for understand this, first of all we learn about the what is systolic and what is diastolic blood pressure. So the systolic blood pressure, generally the systole means the contraction. So the peak pressure produced by ventricle contraction. That means whenever the heart contract, the maximum pressure generate into the arterial wall, that known as the systolic blood pressure. Basically the normal value of the systolic blood pressure, that is 120 mm of Hg. Now the diastolic blood pressure. So the diastole means the general meaning, that is relaxation. So the pressure in your arteries when the ventricles are relaxed, that is diastolic blood pressure, or we can say during diastole the minimal pressure in our arterial wall during relaxation, that is known as the diastolic blood pressure. Basically the normal value of the diastolic blood pressure, that is 80 mm of Hg. So the normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 mm of Hg, that is systolic by diastolic. Systolic is 120 and the diastolic is 80. Now what is pulse pressure? Pulse pressure, that is difference between the systolic pressure and the diastolic blood pressure. The systolic means 120 and diastolic means 80. So the difference, that is minus. So 120 minus 80 is equal to 40 mm of Hg, that is the normal value of pulse pressure. Now the MAP calculation. So we see the one formula, that is diastolic pressure plus 1/3 of pulse pressure. Now we can clear what is diastolic blood pressure. So the example is one person whose blood pressure is 102 by 70. That means 102 systolic, 70 diastolic. So diastolic is 70 plus 1/3 of pulse pressure. Pulse pressure means difference between systolic and diastolic. So 102 minus 70, that is 32. So 1/3 into 32. So the calculation answer is 80.66 mm of Hg. That is the mean arterial pressures of this individual. Now, why this mean arterial pressure we can calculate? So it is helpful during exercise. Okay, if the mean arterial pressure get increased during the exercise. Okay, so we can say if patient can do the exercise and mean arterial pressure not in the normal range, so we see the adverse effect during exercise and after the exercise intervention into the patient. Okay, so further exercise can be given to patient or not, then we can decide by this calculation of the mean arterial pressure. Thanks for watching.